In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Google Chat. If you previously blocked someone in Google Chat and you're ready to hear from them again, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish with clear, simple actions. Unblocking restores their ability to message you and lets you see their updates in chat again. They won't get a special notification that you unblocked them, but the conversation can continue as normal. First, open Google Chat. You can do this in a browser or the chat app, and it also appears in the Gmail sidebar on desktop. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that actually blocked the person, so you adjust the right settings. Next, look to the top right corner of chat for your profile picture. It's the small circular icon with your photo or initial. Click it to open your account menu. From that menu, choose Manage your Google account. This takes you to your main Google account settings, usually in a new tab. We're heading here because your block list is managed at the account level and applies across services. On the Google account page, find the People and Sharing section. It might be on the left side as a tab, or near the top if you're on a smaller screen. Open it to see options related to your contacts and interactions. In People and Sharing, select Blocked. This page lists all accounts you've blocked across Google. It's the central place to review and change those restrictions. Now, find the person you want to unblock. If you see a longer list, scroll until you spot their name or email. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct contact, especially if two people share a similar display name. When you're ready, click Unblock next to their entry. That's it. Your change takes effect right away. The person can message you again in Google Chat, and you'll be able to receive new notifications from them. Your past conversation history stays as it was, so you can pick up where you left off. If chat is already open in another tab or on your phone, give it a moment to sync. In some cases, switching away and back to the conversation will refresh the thread view. And you're done. You opened Google Chat, went to your profile menu, managed your Google account, navigated to People and Sharing, opened Blocked, found the person, and unblocked them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your conversations back on track.